Reels videos not playing on Instagram app. Hello guys, if you have this problem on your Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. So if you want to fix it, all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps right here in the top. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and then click on it like this. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. This is the app information page. All what you have to do here is click on force stop and then go down here to the permissions, click on permissions, and then make sure that all the permissions should be enabled like this. After that, go back, click on the data usage, and then scroll again and make sure that all the network access options are enabled like this. That's it. Open Play Store and then search for Instagram and click on update if you don't have the latest version. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.